So if I were to go around under effects right here on the right hand side, then what happens is that I can go around and then scroll down right here under the effects. I can go around over here under Videomerge. So over here you can see that the top option is Videomerge right here. Let me just go around and drag this video clip onto the top and minimize the project assets, and then I'm going to go around, click and drag around the Videomerge and keep it on the top. Once I do that, what happens is that you can see that the blue actually gets removed right here. So that is what you have. The Videomerge actually detected out the background right here. You can go around, change around the tolerance level as well, and you can see that that is what you have right here. You can go around and choose a soft type of preset right here, or a long type. You can also go around and select out a particular color right here and choose, let's say, blue right here. And that is how you can choose, and then choose to merge out a color just like that. So even if you were to, let's say for example, utilize this, let me just press Ctrl Z and drag this in out right here on this particular clip right here. I can go around and add in Videomerge over here. So what I can do is you can see that you can go around and select out a color and select out, let's say, something like a sky, and you can see that that becomes transparent. And that is how Videomerge actually works out, as you can see. And of course, you can go around and then change around the presets and so forth to get this effect as you want, as you can see this like this. So that is the Videomerge effect right here. Let me just go around and delete this and go to effects right here. So apart from Videomerge, you can see that there's presets right here, different sort of presets that you can use. So these are same effects that you can apply, but they have like preset options. For example, there's zoom in option right here. So as you add in, then what happens is that you simply add in those presets for motion right here. Similarly, there are many presets right here for effects, as you can see right here, which are pre-made effects of by adding in all these effects right here. So if I were to add in tint green and so forth, then it is simply added in, as you can see right here. So that is how you can work around with the Videomerge and presets inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.